Collaboration is a fundamental part of working in an agency. Working together to deliver the best product, campaign, or piece of content requires file sharing. It is important to be able to find information quickly, and within COR, it is easy to consolidate files for easy access at a project and task level. In the Task panel, files can be uploaded manually using the Upload a File button in the Files tab, using drag and drop from a desktop, or a direct link to Google Drive. OneDrive and Dropbox folders can be used for even more streamlined sharing.